Hey y'all, let's do one of the most hated wigs in the beauty industry, the T-Part wig. And before we get too deep into this style, let me introduce myself. Hey everyone, my name is Iamlakeesh and I am back with another video, and if you haven't yet, make sure you go and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss an upload. In today's video, we will be installing the most hated wig in the beauty industry, one of the most hated wig, close to synthetic wig in the beauty industry, a T-Part wig. As we know, many stylists don't like to work with T-Part wigs, just as well as they don't like to work with synthetic wigs because they don't have a lot to work with. And if you fit into that category and you have a T-Part wig that you want to install, well, here's a quick tutorial. I will be showing you exactly how to do that. And yes, we are using Got2be glue. I came from an era where Got2be glue was used to install units, and I do it up to this day. I've used Eben, I've used Ghost Bond, I've used Bold Hole, I've used even private brands. My thing is, I love to take my unit off at the end of the night, and if I do that, I would have to use a glue or a lace adhesive, and taking that off is very messy. That is very sticky, so I would rather Got2be glue. All I have to do is submerge my head in a little bit of water and I'm good to go. When it comes to my sleep and scratching my scalp and oiling my scalp, I need access to my head, and I don't need this thing to be a nuisance to me, so I use Got2be glue. Now, if you don't like to use Got2be glue, then you could use whatever glue you prefer, but for me, I'll be using Got2be glue. And when applying your unit, get you some of this BioSilk hair treatment. This is chef kiss. This formula is everything a girl needs, and a little goes a long way. So I'm just going to apply this BioSilk hair treatment to my hair, and I'm going to go in with my hot comb, and I'm going to treat this lace just as I would treat a regular full lace wig or a frontal, even though it's a T-Part and we only have a little lace to work with. I'm still going to follow all the steps as I would normally do. I'm not going to do too much talking in this video. I'm going to allow you to enjoy the rest of the video. And like I always say, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to reply to you, as this helps with my engagement.